Hi students, I am going to start exercise 6.4 introduction video. The introduction topic applications of vectors to three-dimensional geometry. The three-dimensional geometry. Okay, so a point on the straight line and the direction of the straight line are given. The point on the straight line and the direction of the straight line. Okay, so the first point, parametric form of vector equation. The parametric form of vector equation. The vector equation is equal to r vector equal to a vector plus tb vector. B vector using for one point. A vector is a point and B vector is a vector point. Okay, so the definitions, the vector equation of a straight line passing through the fixed point with the position vector A vector and parallel to a given vector B vector is R vector equal to A vector plus TB vector, where t belongs to r means is a real number. Okay, so a means is a position vector, b is a vector. Okay, now the second point, non-parametric form of vector equation. Non-parametric form of vector equation is r vector minus a vector cross b vector equal to 0 vector. R vector minus a vector cross b vector equal to 0 vector. Now the next point, the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation means x minus x1 divided by b1 equal to y minus y1 divided by b2 equal to z minus z1 divided by b3 is a Cartesian equation. x1, y1, z1 is a point, b1, b2, b3 is a vector. Okay, so now the next point, next formula, straight line passing through two given points. Already one point, x1, y1, z1 is a one point and b1, b2, b3 is a vector point. Now the second point is second equation, straight line passing through the two given points. The 2 points. Okay, so the first point, parametric form of vector equation. The parametric form of vector equation equal to r vector equal to a vector plus d into b vector minus a vector. Okay, so now the parametric form of a vector equation of a line passing through two given points whose position vector are a vector and b vector respectively is r vector equal to a vector plus t into b vector minus a vector. T belongs to r. T is a real numbers. Okay, so now the next one, non-parametric form of the vectors equations. Non-parametric form of vector equation is r vector minus a vector cross b vector minus a vector equal to 0 vector. R vector minus a vector cross b vector minus a vector equal to 0. The parametric equation, r vector equal to a vector plus t into b vector minus a vector. Now non-parametric equation means r vector minus a vector cross b vector minus a vector equal to 0 vector. Okay, now the next point, Cartesian form of the equations, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. X minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. x1, y1, z1 is a one of the point and x2, y2, z2 is a second point. Okay, the position vector of the point. Okay, we will meet the next class.